Here's a pair of Bose QuietComfort Ultra headphones. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an LG Smart TV. So the first thing is we need to put these headphones in a pairing mode. Okay, you'll notice in pairing mode when this light over here is slowly blinking blue. Okay, so in order to put these in pairing mode, you need to press and hold the power button / Bluetooth button here on the bottom. Not up here. This is the multifunction button. This is the Bluetooth / power button here. Now it doesn't matter if your headphones are currently on or off. Just press and hold that until you see the blue light turn on. Okay, so let's put these in the pairing mode first. Here's the Bluetooth / power button here. Ready, set, go. Just press and hold. And just wait until it turns blue. Still holding here. Okay, now it's slowly blinking blue. Okay, if you're holding this for like 5-10 seconds and no lights are coming on, just put the headphones onto your head for 3 seconds and then come down and try it again. Okay, anyway, it's blinking, slow blinking blue, indicating it is in pairing mode. Now we need to go to LG TV and you need to go to settings. Okay, you have a settings button. If you have this remote here, you have a settings button right there, or you may have a different model. Anyway, you can always navigate through the TV here. So just press on the home button on the remote, and then you want to go to the settings, the gear icon top right hand side. So let me go up. Let me move up. Okay, and you can see I'm at the gear icon. Ooh, I'm at the gear icon settings. So I'm going to click on OK. And then this on the right pane will pop up, and what you want to do is just go down, 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 all the way down to the last one. It says all settings. Okay, click on OK. Okay, now we want to go down one to sound. So go down to sound. All right, now we're going to move over to the right. And then we're going to go down to sound out. You can see sound out is currently coming out of my internal TV speaker, but we want it to come out of these Bluetooth headphones, okay? So I'm going to click on OK right there. Now under device selection, everything that's in pairing mode should show up down there. Okay, so let me go down here, and these are still slowly blinking blue, so it's still in pairing mode. And let me just go down. Oh, let's go down to device selection here. Okay, there we go. Now it's searching under available devices, everything that's in pairing mode that's close to you, okay? These are still in pairing mode. It's slowly blinking blue, and I do see my Bose QC Ultra headphones right there. So I'm just gonna go ahead and, just go down with the red right there, and I'm gonna select it. Click on OK, and it's still, once it's connected, the light's gonna go off or it'll turn white, okay? So now, okay, it says Ultra headphones is connected, and now the light turns white here and it's going to go off. But you can see with the check mark there, so I'm currently connected. So now I can turn on YouTube on the TV or Netflix or whatnot. All the audio is going to come out of here. Now, here's the thing. If you guys have issues putting this in the pairing mode, or you have trouble connecting or whatnot, you can always factory reset these as well. Just look in the link below in the description area, and click that if you need to factory reset these. Okay, anyway, hope that helped you guys out.